With heavy camouflage on the front and back of those prototypes, it's been hard to identify what the specific change is, but now there's a picture alleging the Model 3 refresh has been circulated, so they've kind of removed some of the cover on the front end, at least. We can't really see the back end.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see ultrasonic sensors well.
Definitely not. People say it's AI generated. I don't think it is.
Oh, it does kind of look like a merging of the 3 and the S. It looks too big. Is it too big for it to be a 3?
It looks really wide.
Is it too big? What is this?
It looks... Okay, well, what do you think?
AI generated.
Do you like it?
No, I do like it. I think it looks
really
cool.
Sick.
Yeah, I think it looks cool. I'm looking around the tire. Now I'm skeptical of everything.
Yeah.
Why they got to say AI? But this is exactly what I was talking about. You just drop those two letters into anything, and then we have to be skeptical of everything.
Mm-hmm.
But if this is real, then I think it's cool, and it's really hard to tell with these wide angle lenses and one point of view. But yeah, the front end is what looks a bit different. Headlights. I think that section there is a little flatter where it used to be pointier. The section right there, yeah, and just bigger in general. It just looks a little bit more aggressive to me.
I think it looks a lot cleaner without the emblem.
Well, that too. You can take the emblem off. I have a friend that did that.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Cool.